it's Nax and welcome back to my channel. What's up, you guys? Just checking in on everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. So, quick reminder on something, guys. I'm still getting a lot of comments and questions as to when the next PC build is coming out, or where's my PC content, where's my tech content, and what that tells me is that there's still a handful of you guys who don't know that I have a dedicated channel just for all things PC and tech, which is called Snacks and Tech. As a matter of fact, I did just post about my last build, which is right over here. Her name is Mon Mothma over at my PC Tech channel. So if you guys want to check that out, head on over there and watch that video. Other than that, I hope you guys are well. I still have a couple of videos lined up. I also have been more active on my Instagram. So if you guys want to check that out, head on over to my Instagram. And I'm gonna be at PAX West, so if you guys are gonna be there, I hope I bump into you guys. And of course, the playthroughs. The playthroughs will be coming back shortly. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.